Hi, welcome back to Wallflowers. So today, as I was doom scrolling on Facebook, I spotted one of our local food initiatives had an offer on some pre-cooked chicken. So it was £8, 8 bed stickers for 4 kilo of cooked chicken breast. So it's buttered cooked chicken breast. I thought that'll be lovely. We'll stock the freezer. So I've just taken the Ziplocs out and the brand new. So anyone who knows, when you take a brand new Ziploc out, it's back and forth. You never know which way it's going to open properly. So I've put my hand in and opened them, got them all ready, got the scales ready. I'm going to do 8 bags of 500 grams and put them in the freezer that way. Because with them being pre-cooked, they can be frozen, but they can only be cooked one more time and they can't be frozen again. So if I do 500 grams, that's enough to pull out for meals. Now I'm working out here, 500 grams is actually costing me £1 a kilo, sorry, 8 kilos is costing me £1 a kilo, so it's costing me 50 pence. No, sorry.
That was £8 for 4 kilos.
£8 for 4 kilos, so it's costing me £1 for 500 grams. And when I just did a price cost analysis quickly, it showed £4.50 approximately for 500 grams of this type of chicken. So I'm just going to portion size it down to 500 grams. I have to put my glasses on.
200.
Bear with me. All the surfaces are clean. That's approximately 500 grams, so I'm quite happy with that. So if I just keep working my way through to get 8 bags of this, that's my freezer stocked with lots of chicken just for £8. I can make all kinds with this chicken, and the first thing that came to mind was a nice curry. So there's plenty in those bags, isn't there?
Yeah.
For £1 a bag compared to £4 or £5. So say it's £4.50. So what's £3.50 times 8, so 3 8 24. So it's £28. £28 saving. Is that right?
No, 36.
So 3 8 24, and then half of 8 plus the 50 pence is another £4. That's £28. I don't want the last bag to be too short. The yellow bits that you can see are butter. If anyone's eagle-eyed enough to spot, that's butter. buttered chicken. So there wasn't else much there, was there, for us to take advantage of. Everything else was normal price, it wasn't...
You got some sausages for £1, didn't you?
Yeah, what flavour were the sausages? They were just
They were
pork.
just pork.
Yeah, but they were large ones with...
Yeah.
Quick and easy. Asked Oscar if he wanted some of this straight away for his evening meal, but he's already got something planned. What was he having? The pastry lattice?
Yeah.
I think there's chicken in there, isn't there?
Chicken and cheese.
And what are we having for our evening meal?
You've got fish and couscous.
Fish and couscous. That'll be nice. This should be the last bag, what it looks like.
Maybe more.
Yeah. I had pushed my jumper sleeves up, but they've all dropped down. Just a touch under, but that'll be fine. Must be slightly more than one of the other bags. I'll wipe over these bags with a damp cloth once I've cleaned all the surfaces before I actually place them in the freezer. Can't get over it, looks like loads in each bag.
Yeah.
Just a quick one today, just to show you the repackaging and how we do the portion size.
And now it's cheaper to buy in bulk.
Much cheaper to buy in bulk, and stocks the freezer up and helps us feed our family. Can't fix my glasses. As I say, I think this is a really short video today, but we're keeping well. Freezer's getting stocked up. We're just about to sit down and have our evening meal, and then we're going to make some little cakes. We'll probably bring you a video about that for tomorrow. Okay, please take care. Remember you're loved. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.